Hello everyone, good evening. I hope you are all good and I'm also fantastic by the blessing of Almighty Buddha. My name is Pibir Chakma but everyone calls me Pibir, so you may just call me Pibir as well. I'm from Khagashuri. Currently I live in Rangamati Sambhognagar to be with my relatives. Basically I'm studying BA Honors second year, Department of English at Rangamati Government College. If I talk about my family, I'm from little family. There are 4 members in my family. They are my parents, my little sister, and me. If I talk about my likes and dislikes, I would say that I'm fond of reading books, traveling, watching videos in my spare of time. Most honestly, I have a great dream. I want to go abroad on others country, so I interested to knowing English and speaking English fluently, speaking English fluently. That's all about myself. Thank you, everyone.